Welcome back, everyone, to another market update with the FRENCHYBRO team. So today we're just going to analyze the BTC market and give you our insight and what we think about the price and where we can find the next trade. So the FRENCHYBRO team, it's me, FRENCHYBRO, and Sedos. How are you, man?
I'm good, FRENCHYBRO. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, so we did our last video, I'm pretty sure, on Friday, and we were at Sedos, remind me, I think we were at 21,900, something like that.
We were just first drop just here.
Yeah,
I was somewhere here, so
yeah. So
that
we
was
had
there. Nothing with it.
yeah, so we had our first drop just over here, and so we give us our thought on that one. What we say on Friday, to just remind everyone, we were saying the drop wasn't finished. We were expecting a little bit of relief or arranging a little bit for the price. We were expecting maybe just a nice retracement to just drop further down, which we didn't have. Like it wasn't that big the retracement, but we were saying it's not a time too long, because our target was lower, and the demand zone was not reached yet, so it's coming right now, which is pretty good. So I'm pretty sure, so if you show what we posted, I think if you show
so that was the last update just here. So we did the video somewhere here, and then on the count on the leading diagonal that we were expecting adjustment in that zone for a last leg down before a move up.
Which we didn't have, so we were thinking we were going to go drop lower anyway, because the move wasn't finished, which is correct actually. So yeah, so many people were longing. So many people were longing because we arrived at the first demand zone, and they got wrecked, like pretty hard. Yeah, so many people just keep longing. Yeah, so no point of longing. You do not want to knife catch. We didn't see any sign of change of structure to just show like you can just long and get the retracement. It was, the structure is bearish, and it was just showing that a new low was going to come. So we're coming to our next demand, so now 21,600, I think. And
then that's our target just here. So as we said in the update, 2024 level.
Exactly, we say this on the update and on Discord, and we keep saying we're not looking at longing until 21,400. And for now, it's being pretty good. We saved our money. We saved your money. I hope, guys. I hope you listen. And yeah, so now we're coming to that level. So what do we need to do? Do we need to straight long, or do we need to still looking for short? So Cedar is going to let you know what we are doing right now, because the patience is being paid off, because the market is being shaking everyone and respecting our targets so far, which is great. And yeah, so Cedar, explain to us what is our next plan right now.
Alrighty, thank you, FRENCHYBRO. So yeah, as you said, previous demand zone didn't get validated. That was a bearish retest just here. We got, so always, guys, if you want to try to read properly the market structure, so we had like a lower low just here, as we said in the last video. That was your lower high, and when that low got broken, so that one first, that was a new low. So there was no point looking for long unless the previous high was broken. So right now we're on H6 that was there. If you're on H4, that would have been somewhere here. But anyway, so as we said, the structure is bearish. What we are waiting for right now, so it's either so a pullback towards that supply just here. I'm just gonna draw it, so something like that. You could play the pullback if you really want to, but as you said,
pretty risky.
Saying the structure is bearish. You rather wait.
Look for short,
for the pullback to happen.
Yeah,
exactly. And you sell to support. So as you can see, I'm just gonna do this. So that's your last high. All that zone here is a zone of lower high. So you can go anywhere here like this, and boom, back down. So the sell setup is always you wait, sell to support, or you look for continuation, because we really don't know if this that demand is going to get confirmed or that one. So right now we're aiming that little one just here, the refined one here. So that would be a good area to look for price action to see what it's doing and maybe to look for long setup. Or as we said in the update this morning, if we lose that area, we can retest. The next one is that target just here. So that's 20,300. See if I told the 200 level. And if you look on the other charts, which so obviously the 29 first, but that's going to be your area, the area where the price could react, because that's your weekly. So it's a little bit higher, 29, 28 first. That's your weekly and daily support, previous support, sorry. And the next demand is here, as we said, so 21, 23.
Yeah.
The 23 is not, so that's the target that we have for our Elliott wave count. This is a possible target for wave 3 just here. So the first one to come is this one. So that's what we're waiting and watching and in confluence with the demand zone. If we lose this, so we know that because we use the Elliott, we have this target for Elliott wave, but if you're looking at price action and level, you're gonna have a reaction surely at 20.8, 26 level, and the next one is down there. So that's what we're waiting for. So for first one here, as we said, see what's happening. As you can see as well, the previous daily low is almost broken. If it does get broken, you can be sure that there's 4 chances. Can be sure, never sure. There's 4 chances that you can have a lower target. So you wait for the retracement again.
And looking for short.
That's it. And you sell again to the supports where it could bounce if you get confirmed, or you get continuation on the move. So that's what we
that's the plan.
That's where we are. Oh, sorry. I think I'm too sure I've done. It's okay.
Yeah, that's the plan for now. Yeah, because it doesn't. If you look at it on a daily, guys, it doesn't look great for BTC so far. If you
I'm gonna show you.
The daily.
Obviously, it depends. So another thing that you have to watch out, guys, is some exchanges. So you will have to always be careful. Depending on when you trade, you can have different high and low from different. As I say, price action or candles, as you can see on Bitstamp and another exchange, there's 2 of them.
Yeah, that's why that's why people made so many mistakes
as well.
Because the low was swept on I think, don't get me wrong, the low was swept on Binance, but on Bitstamp anything the low didn't get swept, so people were thinking the low got swept and they just long, but they just all got fucked. So that's why you need to make sure you check out different exchange, guys.
That's it. And then on the daily, so normally, so as you can see, so you still got, that will be the full confirmation if we do break that low here, but you can see so that was your higher low, higher high, higher low, and right here you can see that's just on there. If you zoom in, so shift, sorry, we had so a low high, and as soon as we broke this low, so lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we are in the zone of that we confirm of the possible lower low, or if it does bounce, so then we might get a shift if we break. So that's on the daily, obviously, if we break that last high. So we have to see how the candle is going right now. But if we move on if we move on the exchange, I think that high just here comes just a little bit higher, so it looks like you don't have lower high. So that's what you have to be careful when you trade and when you do technical analysis. You have to put everything into count, because you can easily get trapped or get taken in function of the exchange you're trading with.
Exactly. Yeah. That's why you just look at multiple charts and to make sure everything match. If something doesn't match, you just be careful. And
or you rethink, or you wait. Pretty much that was as well one of the main thing. Main thing as well, because we've been waiting for like almost a week now, because just to confirm, if you're using Elliott wave, or if you like whatever you're using to trade, to get confirmation or to get like full confirmation on your account and everything, especially when you got those type of thing where on the one exchange you got that's your, it looks like the top is in. Not saying that it's in, but so far for the moment with that structure and stuff, it
Does
looks
look
like it's
like
in.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, it does, but we'll see.
Yeah,
We'll
but for the moment, the 18K target look pretty juicy for us. So
so that's that would be the common target if that area doesn't get validated. Wave 3 is the common one, so 261.8 is a common target for your 12. But then the extended one, as you can see, at 3618 is 18300. So where 3 would be here, so it'll be like that. So for the one not familiar, so it'll be here, and then you get your 4 somewhere here. So pretty much, if you trace it with the thing, so that's 1 here, 2, so 3 going. So from 2 it goes like that. Here's 2, so 3 and 4 going back up, and that's would be so where we could take long setup, or as I said, 3 here, 4, and the last like 5 somewhere around here. But for this, as I said, you cannot when you're doing Elliott wave or when you're doing your count, you're not trying to predict the future. You always have like ideas or plans and get validated or not, and always you need to adjust always. And that's
you look at the price action anyway.
To wait.
Yeah, so you come to your zone and you get the price action is doing to just confirm and after
and trigger on setups. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Unless you want to scalp like really small time frame, but as we've been saying, we're on the range here, no point trading here. That's no trade zone, chopping range. And you can see we were still at the range until not long ago, and we're just getting out now. So that's, you know what I mean? Like all the time, if you try to trade this, then you get chop here. So if you're not sure, whatever, or if you don't have confirmation, rather wait, and there's nothing wrong.
Exactly. And if Bitcoin just break this low, guys, we got a few altcoin on the radar, and they're gonna drop pretty fast. So be aware, guys. Also, if you want to let us know if you want us to just analyze any other altcoin in our next video, make sure you let us know on Twitter or in our Discord or whatever, and we will do it for you guys. We don't want to do like a shitcoin, just normal altcoin, and like all this shitcoin, like people saying like Byte and shit. I don't want to do this one, but like all the normal coin, BNB, Sol, TRX, all those one, let us know, and we will do it for you guys. But I got few on the radar. Total market cap doesn't look great, so yeah, so it's pretty interesting level, and we are like, it's Thursday today. Pretty interesting level. So let's see what's happening tomorrow and this weekend, and we might have a clear idea of where we're gonna head up. Yeah. Do you have anything to add, Sedos?
No, that's it. That's good. We good impatiently get that good setup like the previous one on GMT was good. If we can get another 9-10 AR or more.
So for the Discord group, for the VIP group, like we had like 6 trade only. We didn't trade much because the market was pretty shaking everywhere, but we still managed to get like a +7 AR on the month. Yeah, so profitable anyway. So which is great. And hopefully March, like as soon as we break this level, we're gonna be able to just find more trades. So hopefully another good month for us. So if you want to join the Discord, let us know. Send me a text on Twitter, or just join our free Discord for free insight. And otherwise, make sure you like the YouTube channel, you share, you subscribe to get all our videos, and that's it. So thanks, Sedos.
No worries, thank you.
Thanks for the video. And we make sure we do another one. We do another one soon for you guys. Thank you, guys. See ya.